Professor Papia De, the Program Chairperson for the flagship MBA program at the NMIMS School of Business Management. At SBM, we are committed to shaping future leaders who are adaptable, innovative, and equipped with a global perspective. Our MBA program has a legacy of over 43 years, attracting a diverse cohort of students who enrich the learning experience through their varied backgrounds and perspectives. This diversity is the cornerstone of our program, fostering a rich environment of peer learning and collaboration. At SBM, we prioritize the development of analytical skills and critical thinking. Our curriculum is designed to integrate regular case-based discussions, hands-on experiences, and using advanced tools like the Bloomberg terminals. This ensures that our students are not only learning theoretical concepts, but are also able to apply them in the real-world scenarios. We continuously update our curriculum to reflect the latest trends and advancements in the industry. This includes fresh case studies, current events, and cutting-edge tools, ensuring that our students are always at the forefront of business education. Our faculty stays updated through weekly research seminars, bringing latest insights and knowledge into the classrooms. The Assurance of Learning Grid is a key component of our program, carefully mapping and measuring the learning outcomes to ensure that our educational objectives are being met. This rigorous approach guarantees that our students are achieving the competencies required to be successful in today's dynamic business environment. One of the unique aspects of our MBA program is an array of student committees and cells that bridge the gap between academia and industry. These platforms provide students with continuous exposure to the latest changes in the business landscape, preparing them to tackle real-world challenges effectively. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in our stellar placement record. Last year, more than 180 companies participated in our placement process, offering diverse portfolios across various industries. The highest salary for the MBA program stood at 67.7 lakhs per annum. Our alumni network is a testament to our success. Graduates like Geeta Batra, Jagrut Putecha, Deena Mehta, Vinod Giri have achieved remarkable accomplishments and continue to lead and innovate in their respective fields. We take pride in our alumni and their achievements. They inspire our current students to strive for excellence. So join us at SBM NMIMS Mumbai, where we are dedicated to providing a transformative learning experience that prepares you for a successful future. Together, we will navigate the complexities of today's business world and emerge as leaders of tomorrow.